Amy here. Today I'm going to snazzy up my kick drum. I'm going to put some LED lights in there. It's into a acrylic kick drum, so the lights will come through. It's my Ludwig acrylic kit. It's in cherry red, so adding some lighting to it will make it sort of, I don't know, make it look really cool up on stage, give a bit of spark. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here. I am using this smart home RGBW LED light strip. Okay, put inside the kick drum and let's see how it looks. All right, let's do it. All right, there we go. I've stuck it all in there. Looks pretty cool. I'll just download the app now, and then I can control the colors and if I want it flashing or not. But yeah, it's all done. So I've put it around the edges on both sides, the top and bottom, just so I can really show up on a dark stage. It'll look mint. Anyway, I'll finish it off, put the reso head back on and have a look at it. All right, it's all done. How good does that look? That's pretty cool. So I've just made sure the LED lights are just behind here so that you see them behind the hoops. So you don't see them from the side. Yeah, it looks mint. All right, I'll try that out tomorrow night. Easy as. Good thing about this also is that you've got the black lead. Yeah, so you can tuck that away with an extension. You don't really see it from the front. Anyway, job done. Have a good day. See you next time.